Guys, I went ahead and got the friendly manual off the website, gigabyte.com. I went to the section that said manual, and I downloaded and printed the manual last night. We're going to need this when we start connecting this bad boy together. But what we want to do is make sure that the processor is in cahoots with the motherboard. This is a step you want to do when you're selecting your processor, when you're selecting your build, or when you start designing your build. The first thing you want to do is make sure the processor will go with the motherboard that you're going to use. For sake of argument though, this is our first YouTube video, so we're going to do it this way. Hey, curse me out in the comment section if you want, super nerds. Let's see here. Hardware installation, installing installation precautions, product specifications, installing the APU, installing the memory, installing the expansion card, back panel connectors, internal connectors. Plump. Do you know what the APU is? Arithmetic processing unit. So we're going to go ahead and do the socket FS1B. Right?
Hey, can you tell us where the processor goes?
Did he just ask me where the processor goes, Plump?
Yeah, I think so.
Sure. See where the processor goes. The processor goes right there. That's where it goes. This bad boy. Now, guys out there in YouTube land, remember what I said? You want to make sure that the processor fits the motherboard before you even start building the computer. Luckily, I was smart enough to get the recommendations from my main man now, Samtech 3000. And see that? It says FS1B socket. AMD Athlon series processors, AMD Sempron series processors. And right there on the processor, if you can see, guys, it says FS1B processor. See that? FS1B. Also, it's an AMD Sempron processor, of which the friendly manual says will work. You see that? Friendly processor, the friendly manual says a Sempron will work, FS1B socket. So we're good. We're golden. Keep the friendly manual with you at all times. We're going to put it back to cereal here. I'm getting a little hungry. It's almost lunchtime. So, with the unboxing of the processor.
Wait, how should we put the processor in?
Don't worry, I'll show you. Don't worry, you'll see. Alright, my main man, Husky.
Don't play with knives.
Don't play with knives, kids.
This is not a knife. This is a knife.
It's not a knife, it's a box cutter. Hey, it's not a knife. This is a box cutter.
Not a knife. This is a knife.
So there she blows.
With a fan?
Hmm?
With a fan?
Yeah, there's a fan. I'm a fan, you're a fan. We're all big fans. AMD, baby.
This is my biggest fan.
No, it's not. It's actually the smallest fan.
I know.
And for right now, we're going to use this bad boy. Episode 2, we may do some upgrading, right, Plump?
Yeah.
Maybe do some upgrading, because look at that fan. I mean, it's okay, but
Not really.
yeah, it's kind of, you know, just the manufacturers. manufacturer's fan here. So we're gonna put that there. And thanks, sweetheart. Should be 4 of them, right? And we're gonna go. Fascinating. Yeah, this sucks.
What?
What sucks is we got 2 connectors here. Let me show you. See that? This goes here. Right? And another one goes there. And this goes like that. And then this goes like that. And then it clamps onto it and keeps it there. Now my thing is, if I gotta replace this doohickey, what the heck am I gonna replace him with? Who knows? So, I don't know if I want to use this. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be very sufficient. What do you think, sweetheart?
I don't know if it's gonna be useful.
Well, cooling wise, it may not keep it cool as much as we need.
But we do got the power supply.
Power supply, yeah. We'll try it and see. You know what? We're gonna try it. But you know what sucks though? Is that you see that? That's where the little doohickeys go.
Relighting.
You know what I mean? That's where the doohickeys go. That protrude up. Right? Or I wanna say these might actually this might actually go that way. And you know what? Let's see here. And then lock in like that. Okay. Maybe that's not real either. Maybe it turns, huh? I don't know. I don't know. Let's go ahead to this bad boy here.
Should we lay the case down?
Huh?
Should we lay the case down?
Yeah, we gotta take the motherboard out now.
We do.
Mm-hmm. Oh man.
Do the honors.
You know what? No, we don't.
We don't?
No. It looks like when you put this in,
The camera can see through.
the camera can see through the paper.
It's weird.
Well, it is. Goes like such. You put this bad boy on like that. Hmm? And just turn it around, make sure it doesn't do nothing. Right? And you just clamp this end to the board. And you go up here. Right? Goes like that. So that's what snaps it in. See? It snaps it in like that. That's how it goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare it. Get it all prepared for them so they can see exactly
Oh, it goes.
how it goes. Cause that's how it is and that's how it goes.
Put the case down.
Alright, so my sweetheart here is gonna be putting the case down for us. we're gonna need some pretty kick butt cooling. What's gonna happen is this cooling is gonna be pretty fair cooling. The air is gonna suck into the power supply and blow across the motherboard. This is gonna take air off the processor and just blow it straight through the case. See? It's gonna blow it out. It's gonna blow it into the case somewhere, away from the processor. So the cooling may be sufficient. However, you guys leave comments in the comment section as to how we can improve cooling efficiency in this case. Okay?